Hi Sam, this is another new product from Lowbake. It's called the Repair Cell. This is a combination paint mix room and a spray booth and a prep bay. The unit is transportable, can be easily moved by a standard tilt tray truck or a forklift, so it can be relocated. This machine is special because it completely complies with the legislation in this country for spray painting and paint mixing. We've seen the rise of plastic portable spray booths that are combustible, that don't meet the regulations, and spraying spray booths without exhaust ducts that once again don't meet the regulations. This machine has one exhaust duct to cater for the prep bay, spray booth and the mix room. With the repair cell, on the back side of where the mix room is, we have this spray wall, storage cupboards for consumables and tools. We have the ducted sanding station, so the unit can be fitted with extra wall panels, either spray and prep without the wall panels or extend them to form a end draft spray booth. Single duct through the roof. This has an Australian design registration as well as an Australian registered patent. So in order to comply with Australian standards and regulations, because it's a dual purpose machine, we have a simple lever here. When the lever is in the up position, power is applied to the vacuum and any other tools we want, but there is no air to spray. When you want to spray, we drop the lever down, the power is inhibited, air is activated and the exhaust fans speed up. Okay, this is the Lowbake wheel station, which is basically it's a spray booth with a combination electric IR oven and a UV oven to cure the clears and the paint on the wheels. What we do, we have a conveyor roller here. Normally there's an extension table. You'll bring the wheel in, pre-prepared, ready to paint. You'll raise the wheel up to a comfortable spraying position, depending on the height of the painter. Once you've set that, you stop it, you can spin the wheel. It's a downdraft spray booth. There are filters mounted in slide-out drawers, as you can see the drawers at the front. So the wheel is painted. When you've finished painting, you drop the wheel. You will raise the door. Slide the wheel. The electric IR is activated. You would normally shut the door. Once the door is closed, you then can start spraying another wheel for a continuous process. The unit also has a UV light to cure UV clears. With the wheel station, it gives the panel shop the ability to do wheels both sprayed and repaired, prepped and cured out of the spray booth, because the spray booth is used to spray cars and parts. This can be done in conjunction while the spray booth's doing the car. This product, what happens in industry, normally people put 3 or 4 wheels in the booth, bake it for an hour, which is okay, but you're tying up a lot of energy for a small wheel, and of course you can't use the booth for something else. So we've developed this product so that you can cure them out of the booth while the booth's being used, and of course also this has UV curing technology, which isn't in the spray booth. This is another new product from Lowbake. It's called the Lowbake Mobile UV. Unlike other UV units, this is big enough to do a whole bonnet, whole door, because it's got high-powered big LED emitters. You can see very basic operation, start, stop on a timer. You can select 1 or 2 lamps depending on the size of repair. The lights are specifically designed for clear coats and primers, so they are the different frequency. Obviously made in Australia, completely built to Australian regulations, and a great option.